This video is a continuation to the last video that I made that went over how to connect your GoHighLevel account to your Skool community with the GoHighLevel for Skool snapshot. So if you haven't watched it, head on over into the description and watch that before this video, because in this video, we're gonna go over email deliverability. Now, this is for you if you want to start sending, be it to your members or an email list, any sort of bulk emails or welcome emails when people join your community. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you step by step how you can do it to increase your deliverability. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is head on over to your GoHighLevel accounts, and what you're going to do is you're going to go under settings and head on over to email services. Once you're in email services, what you'll see is this pop-up will come up, and it's going to tell you to boost your email deliverability by creating a dedicated sending domain. So that's exactly what we're going to do. You're going to press that blue button and you're going to be brought to this page here. Now, what you're going to do once you get here is you're going to type info dot or email dot or anything dot your domain. Now, the reason is because you're essentially going to create a subdomain that's exclusively used by you to send emails to your leads and to your clients. This means that no one else has access to send emails through this domain, and no matter what anyone does, they will not be able to affect your email deliverability. So only you will have the power to improve or damage your own email deliverability. So what you're gonna do is, for example, info.testingcompany123.com. Whatever your domain is, you're just going to add it over here after this full stop. Once you've done that, you're going to press add and verify. After it thinks a little bit, it's going to ask you to connect your domain or subdomain, at which point you'll continue and wait a little bit longer. Perfect. So now that we're here, this will display exactly all of the records that you need to add inside of your DNS settings. So what you're going to do from here is open a new tab, go on over to Namecheap or Cloudflare or anywhere where you have bought your domain, head on over to the DNS settings and just copy and paste all of these records in there. And once you've finished, you're going to hit verify records. And it's that simple. Now, if you have a domain on GoDaddy, it's even simpler because Lead Connector will check this and it'll prompt you to just authorize it inside of GoDaddy and it'll automatically connect for you so you don't have to do a single thing. Once you've pressed verify records, your domain will now appear inside of here. Of course, it won't appear as unverified or SSL unknown. All of these things will be active and verified. What you can do is press these three dots here and you can set headers. Now, if you want all of the emails to be sent as you, then what you're going to do is you're going to add your name here and your email here. And once you've written that, you hit save. And now every single email that gets sent out of this account will have this name and this email attached to it. Now, this isn't going to work because it's not inside of the domain that I've just provided, testingcompany123. But if the dedicated sending domain ended in GoHighLevelForSchool.com, this would allow me to add it like so. Now that you've finished adding your dedicated sending domain, you now need to go ahead and start warming up your email. This is incredibly important no matter whether you have a very new, brand new email or an email that you've already been using. No matter what your situation is, I would highly recommend that you at least warm up your email for 2 weeks. So what I want you guys to do is head on over to the description just underneath this video because I've linked the link to get into Instantly. Instantly is a 2-in-1 software. First of all, it warms up your emails, and second of all, if you're not using HighLevel, you can use Instantly to send emails either automatically or in bulk to leads and clients. However, I would just recommend you to just use Instantly to warm up because HighLevel already has the email marketing feature and you'll want to keep as much as possible inside of HighLevel and just use Instantly to warm up your emails. Now, with my link, you'll get a 14-day free trial, which is the bare minimum that you guys should be warming up your emails for. Now, if you guys don't want to have to worry about your health score, I would stick with Instantly after your 14-day free trial. Because what will happen is that Instantly will keep warming up any of the emails that you add here. Keep in mind, you can add as many as you want. And you'll be able to keep an eye on the health score that tells you how well your emails are delivering. If you start seeing that the email score is reducing, then you'll want to send less emails. Now, without this, you can also keep track, but you're going to have to keep track of the deliverability rate of your emails. So regardless, at the very least, use the 14-day free trial to warm up your emails. Once it's finished, you are now able to start sending emails. Do not send a single bulk email before the 14-day free trial, because if you do, it's very likely that you'll damage your email deliverability. And you need to think about email deliverability as your credit score. Once it takes a hit, it is very hard to get it back up. But to maintain it, it is relatively easy. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next video where I'll walk you step by step how to get your A2P verified in the first go so that you can get started sending messages to your leads and to your clients.